In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display WordPress posts in a grid layout. This is a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your blog, offering your readers an organized and engaging way to view content. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the site. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You'll find the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and it will lead you to the login screen where you can choose how to access your account. Next, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This option provides a quick and seamless way to log in, especially if your WordPress account is linked to your Google email. After clicking, you'll see a prompt to choose your Google account. Select the one associated with your WordPress site and you're logged in. With access to your site, find your dashboard. On the right hand panel under quick links, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Click on it to proceed. After this, look for your website's title or icon, typically displayed in the dashboard's main section, and click on it. This will bring you to the site editor. Now that you're in the editing environment, look for the plus icon. This icon is used to add new elements to your site. It's usually located inside or near the editing toolbar. Give it a click to see a variety of elements you can add to your page. In the search bar that appears, type in Query. This will bring up options related to querying your posts. From the drop-down, select Query Loop. The Query Loop is a powerful block that lets you create complex layouts for displaying posts in grid format. Once you select the query loop, you're given the choice to start with a blank template. Click on Start as Blank to exercise full control over the customization of your grid display. Following this, you'll need to choose a variation for your grid layout. WordPress offers several pre-built styles, which can save you time, or you can opt to create a fully custom look. After settling on a variation, it's time to arrange the layout to your liking. You can adjust the number of columns, spacing, and other visual elements to ensure that your grid is tailored perfectly to your blog's aesthetic. Play around with the settings until you achieve the desired look. Lastly, always remember to click Save to ensure all your changes are stored. The Save option is typically located at the top right of the editor and will ensure that all your hard work is preserved for your readers to enjoy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your WordPress posts in a grid layout. Enjoy the fresh new look of your page and happy blogging!